We always want to spend more time with friends and family, but our hectic lifestyles and busy schedules often force us to stay connected solely through social media. So how does one catch up and spend quality time with them? How about through the old school way, backyard games? Backyard games are perfect for friends and families looking to get out of the house and have fun. These activities come for all ages and genders and are enjoyable and affordable, ranging from simple lawn games like horseshoes and croquet to more elaborate competitions like giant Jenga and obstacle courses. We scoured the market for the ultimate options that allow children to improve their social skills and adults to simply have fun on a nice afternoon. Let's take a look at the highest rated backyard games in 2023. Number 1. Spike Ball Backyard Game. Our top pick provides hours of entertainment, whether you're in your backyard, at the beach, or on a college campus. Including a foldable round net, a ball, and a storage bag, this 4-player backyard game is played in a 2-on-2 format and follows volleyball rules. To win, you have to collect as many points as you can. You and your teammate will stand in front of the net, opposite the other team. One team serves the ball into the net, and the opposing team must bounce it back. If the ball is not returned to the net within 3 moves, the opposing team scores a point. It is our top choice due to the high quality of the equipment and how easy it is to learn. Number 2. Yard Games Backyard Game. Are you a fan of Jenga? This next option includes 56 hand-sanded smooth-sourced wood blocks for easy setup and play. Ideal for BBQs, tailgating, picnics, and other outdoor or indoor activities, this backyard game stands 2.5 feet tall when assembled and can be stacked up to 19 levels high. By removing blocks and stacking them on the upper edge, this option can be expanded to more than 5 feet depending on skill level. It also comes with a nylon travel case for convenient storage and transportation, and it's the perfect size for a gift. This pick can provide hours of entertainment and fun for the entire family. Plus, it comes with a money-back guarantee. Number 3. Go Sports Backyard Game. Our following selection is a traditional lawn game in which players fight for the most points by throwing and knotting bolo balls around various rungs of the opposing ladder. Because each tier is worth 1 to 3 points, you must aim for the highest level to get the most points. This backyard game, which can be played one-on-one or in teams of 2, features soft rubber bolo balls that are safe for children, making this option ideal for families. The innovative, durable design ensures that this product will last and remain intact, even on hot summer days, making it another excellent choice. Number 4. Con Jam Backyard Game. Are you looking for a great backyard game to get your teens outside and in the sun? This disc-throwing game will undoubtedly hit the bullseye, pun intended. This popular team sport resembles ping pong, washer toss, and frisbee. To begin, take turns flinging and misdirecting the flying disc at the goal. The first person to reach 21 points wins. With a quick and straightforward setup, you can start playing in seconds in your yard or at a picnic. It can also be easily stored in your trunk, closet, or garage. Number 5. Swook Backyard Game. This is an excellent option if you've ever owned a 4-in-a-row game, since this is just a jumbo version of the original game. Over 3 feet wide and 2 feet tall, this backyard game is suitable for ages 6 to 60. This product is built to last, whether it's placed in the kids' room, the pool, or the beach. It has been varnished and sealed to withstand splatters, moisture, and heat while you have fun outside. Concerned about the noise? Don't worry, thanks to a sound-reducing design that lessens sound by more than 60%, this backyard game will keep the children amused without offering people a splitting headache. It is constructed from premium poplar wood and is highly durable. Plus, thanks to the partnership with a leading organization, the manufacturer plants a tree for every purchase, making it great for you and the planet.